Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Google AI Studio integrates with Vertex AI and Model Garden for managed models. The platform gives you a unified workspace for building, fine-tuning, and hosting models. You can create notebook instances and attach cloud storage directly to projects. It supports dataset versioning and simple import from Google Cloud Storage buckets. Pipelines and experiment tracking help repeatable development and collaboration across teams. There is built-in model evaluation and bias reporting to guide iterations. Pricing varies by resources used, so monitor runtimes and storage to control costs. Start by creating a project and selecting a billing account in the console. Next, enable Vertex AI APIs and choose a region for resources and storage. Upload data files or link a Google Cloud Storage bucket with your datasets and schema. Create a dataset record and configure labels, types, and training splits before experiments start. Use the built-in notebooks to explore, clean, and preprocess data interactively. Save preprocessing code as pipeline steps to ensure reproducible training runs across environments and team members. Choose a pre-built model from Model Garden or bring your own containerized model. Configure training compute, select accelerators, and set versioning for reproducibility and rollback. Run training jobs and save artifacts to the project bucket for lineage tracking and review. Deploy models to endpoints for online predictions or schedule batch jobs for large datasets. Monitor latency, error rates, and data drift, and set alerts to catch performance regressions quickly. When necessary, roll back to earlier model versions and retrain with updated data or hyper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.